Focus for today is New Every Morning is the Love with the tune Malcolm. This beautiful hymn is a hymn of celebration of God's unfailing love, His mercy and faithfulness, reminding us that each new day is a fresh gift of His grace. It was written by John Keble, 1792 to 1866, an English Anglican priest, poet, and one of the leaders of the Oxford movement. Keble was a great contributor to Christian literature and hymnody, with many of his writings reflecting deep devotion and trust in God. New Every Morning is the Love is based on the words of Lamentations chapter 3, verses 22 to 23, which declare that God's mercies are new every morning. The hymn encourages believers to begin each day with gratitude, confidence, and renewed commitment to God. The tune Malcolm was composed by Richard Sturges Willis, 1819 to 1900, who was an American musician and hymn writer who was known for his contribution to church music. Therefore, beloved in God, let us sing this hymn with a thankful heart, celebrating the constant love and faithfulness of God, even as we celebrate the last Sunday in the month of June. And I pray that the month of July will be of great testimonies for us. Do have a blessed week. God bless you.